What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of 2021 Mardi Gras at Busch Gardens, Tampa, Florida. So this is an awesome event, and as you can see, all the food was incredible. A lot of people think theme park food, but honestly, it was delicious. Everything I got, I ate, and I didn't have any complaints. My favorite was probably the beignets. You can't go wrong with beignets and just pure sugar. It was incredible. This lasts until February 16th, so if you guys have a chance, you need to come out and check it out for yourself. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.